Let's understand what MongoDB is. MongoDB is introduced here as a NoSQL document database, which is a type of database that differs from traditional relational databases. It's designed to store and manage data in a flexible, document-oriented way, using a format similar to JSON. This makes it easier for developers to work with data in their applications. Here is a comparison between SQL and NoSQL databases. SQL databases use structured tables with a fixed schema and follow ACID properties, providing a relational model. On the other hand, NoSQL databases use flexible documents with a dynamic schema and offer horizontal scaling with a JSON-like structure. MongoDB is a document-oriented NoSQL database, storing data in flexible JSON-like documents. Key features of MongoDB are document-based storage, schema flexibility, high performance, and horizontal scaling. Let us discuss the key concepts of MongoDB. The first concept is the database, which is a container for collections similar to a schema in SQL. The second concept is a collection, which represents a group of documents equivalent to a table in SQL. Lastly, a document, which is an individual record stored in BSON format like a row in SQL. Here is an example of the structure of a sample document. The document has key value pairs like ID, name, age, email, and address. Key features of a document are: it follows a JSON-like structure, supports nested objects, allows flexible field types, and there is no predefined schema. Let's compare BSON and JSON data formats. JSON, which stands for JavaScript Object Notation, is a human-readable text and a lightweight format. It is also a web standard, however, it has limited data types. On the other hand, BSON, which stands for binary JSON and is MongoDB's format, has binary encoding, faster parsing, rich data types, and optimized storage. Let's explore some of the advantages of MongoDB. First, it offers high performance with fast read and write operations and optimized indexing. Second, it provides horizontal scaling, making it easy to shard across multiple servers. Third, MongoDB offers schema flexibility, allowing the dynamic schema to adapt to changing requirements. Fourth, it supports rich queries with a powerful query language and aggregation framework. Fifth, MongoDB ensures high availability with built-in replication and automatic failover. Finally, it is developer-friendly, with an intuitive document model that matches application objects. Let's discuss how to get started with MongoDB. There are several installation options available, such as MongoDB Community Server, MongoDB Atlas on cloud, Docker container, and package managers. Next steps would be to install MongoDB, learn basic create, read, update, delete operations, explore MongoDB Compass, and practice with sample data. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.